making bacon wrapped chicken tenders. I slice up some chicken breast and then I'm going to put them in this baggie, and that contains a combination of kosher salt, cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, thyme, and I'll put each strip in there, shake it up, and then I'm gonna wrap each piece with this Hitman smoked rosemary garlic bacon, and then I'm gonna place it on this cooking tray at 425. In the oven at 425 for 35 minutes. There they are. They're looking really good. The bacon crisped up nicely. We're gonna let these cool so we don't burn our mouths. Gonna serve it with a little side of bacon ranch dip. Okay, our bacon wrapped chicken tenders are done. I'm going to just dip it in this kind of bacon ranch dip I made. Here we go. Bacon is crispy, chicken is tender, and those seasonings are super flavorful. You're definitely going to want to try this. All right, guys, I know this was a super short video, but just wanted to say, hey, no, it's been a minute. Keep on making that bacon. Give me a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Destination Bacon. Bye.